If you need to cancel a pending transfer in Salesforce, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into Salesforce. Access your Salesforce account by entering your username and password. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers tab in the main navigation menu. Click on it to view all pending transfers associated with your account. Step 3. Find a pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. Review the information to confirm that this is a transfer you want to cancel. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel button or option within the transfer details. Click it and follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. Ensure you receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transfer in Salesforce. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your Salesforce administrator for assistance.